Hi. Day 29 of how to fix your mental health in 30 days. Try to plant something. Taking care of something else than yourself actually have shown to be very beneficial on stress and have even shown also improvement on depression. Planting a plant or gardening or in other way taking care of something living, could be a puppy or a cat, but today it's about planting something. Taking the dirt and putting the plant in something and just making it grow and seeing it flourish actually reduces stress endorphins. So for the almost last day, tomorrow is the last day, the 29th day, try, maybe this is an idea you would like, planting something. You don't have to have a big garden. You can live in a flat and just take a little flower and plant it, or just buy a bouquet maybe and put it in water to start somewhere, right? So take care and stay safe.